Hello viewers and welcome to Not So Sunny Melbourne, the capital city of Victoria. The home of great food, fantastic coffee and of course, trams. A single articulated B-class wastes no time in turning the corner from William Street into Flinders Lane. A more sedated approach is executed as it turns into Market Street and heads down towards Flinders Street. The B-class are my favourite. A little bit old school and just one articulation. They're just the right size. And they look pretty cool, but not so much in this red, in my opinion. Powering through the isolated electrical sections, this Z-class sparks as it takes a run up the hill at Market Street, which of course is no problem. These trams were introduced in 1975 and apparently haven't got long to go. A nice little, oh look out, photo bombed by another B-class. The B-class really are media tarts. But not to be outdone, our cute little Z-class steals the limelight back and makes a nice little turn into William Street. Performing a very dignified turn from William Street into Flinders Lane is a multi-articulated E-class made in Melbourne. The E-class ride on 4 articulated trucks or bogies, with 3 of them powered. With the B-class hot on its tail, this E-class easily climbs the grade up Market Street into Flinders Lane. The E-class are nice trams to ride on and can carry 180 passengers. And oh God, here we go. Another B-class media tart has to get into the shot. But then again, we get to see the E-class slink its way around. Oh no, we don't, because another B. Oh God, it's like supermodels trying to get in front of a camera here. Speaking of supermodels, is that a photo of one on the back of that B-class there? Maybe not. With the highest number of units in any class, another B graciously slides through the curve from William Street, Flinders Lane and into Market Street. Looking down Market Street towards Flinders Street, we see a pair of suburban electric trains that have just left the famous Flinders Street station. The B-class trams ride on 3 articulated bogies or trucks. The centre one is not powered. Introduced in 1988, the B-class were also the first trams to have air conditioning, and I can say on this 8-degree day, they were very toasty and warm. Just sneaking out of the frame there is one of Melbourne's iconic W-class. A very handsome looking B-class turns into William Street. What the bloody hell? Go and get your own frickin' noodles. Absolutely ruined the shot. Flexing its spine, this E-class clearly shows the grade as it climbs the end of Market Street. This time there's no media tart B-class around, and we get a nice view of the E as it rounds the curve into Flinders Lane. A very tidy meet between two B-class. Melbourne's tram network is the largest in the world, with over 250 kilometres of track. All trips in the CBD are now free, which is great for passengers but has increased the patronage, which sometimes makes the trams a bit crowded. This B-class is stopping on the hill for a red light. Let's see how this driver goes with a handbrake start. Here we go. A little bit of revs. Ease the clutch out. That's very nicely done. Well, all joking aside, I hope you enjoyed this short video on some of Melbourne's iconic trams and on one of my favourite curves in the city. It's been over a decade since I visited Melbourne, and I always loved coming here. And when I move to Stirling in the Adelaide Hills, I'll be making more trips to this great city. Thanks for watching. Hooroo for now. Bye-bye.